Today we are making this dal makhni and jeera rice combo at home in the cloud kitchen style. You are totally going to love it, guys. This is just the way we order it from the online ordering apps. And the best part is making this at home is very easy because the process is very simple. So let's get cooking, guys. Welcome to Cooking Shooking. First we will have to do the preparations. Here I have kale urad, which is 1 cup. This is basically black gram, guys. Add some water into it and then wash it. Washing this is very important. Wash it once and then you can add the rajma, which is handful. This is basically kidney beans. 1 handful or about 2 tablespoons should be fine. We are going to wash it again. After washing it 2 times, you can add some hot water into it and let it soak for about 5 to 6 hours. If you can soak it the night before, that would be the best. So next morning or when you want to make the whole combo meal, you can take 1 cup of rice. This is regular rice. We will add some water and then wash it also 2 times. We have to soak the rice for about 15 minutes. This is the 3rd time and the water is almost clear, so let me soak it for 15 minutes and let's check the dal that we soaked earlier. The kale urad and the rajma is well soaked and these are looking good. But now we have to wash it again because you can see the water is so dirty. So take it into a big bowl and wash it, mash it, change the water until you see the water is clear. With this kind of preparation, a lot of water is wasted. Please don't waste the water. You can collect all of this water and give it to plants. They will love it. So here you can see I have washed the dals 3 times and it is looking good now. Take it into a pressure cooker. Along with the dals, we have to add a few more ingredients because we are making it in the dhaba style. First, we are going to add water. So this is about 1 cup of water. Along with this, 3 large tomatoes which are grinded into a paste. Now we are going to take salt, which is as per taste, 2 black cardamoms. Very important to add black cardamom, guys. Here I am taking 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. Since this is dal makhni, we have to add the butter or the makhan, which is 50 grams. We are going to add some more later on. Here I am taking some more water because the water is looking less, and then we are going to give it a stir. Put the lid on and then cook it for about 4 to 5 whistles. So while the dal is cooking, we can cook the rice also. Here I have the second flame heating up. In this saucepan, I am going to add the rice without the water because we are going to cook the rice in fresh water. That way the rice won't be as sticky. That's a small tip for fluffy rice. Here I am taking 2 cups of water and then we are going to cook it until the water gets a boil. Once the water gets a boil and the rice has increased in volume, you can put on the lid and cook it until the rice is cooked. Basically, this step will take about 5 minutes. 10 minutes to boil, 5 minutes to steam, and the rice will be ready. As soon as the rice is done, take it out into a plate and then spread it. Otherwise, the rice can clump up into a mass. The rice will also cool down very quickly, guys. So let's keep it aside for a minute and let's check the dal that we cooked earlier. Once the pressure is gone, you can open it and check something like this. Here you can see the dal and the water are separate. The dal is cooked but the consistency is not there. We have to add a few more ingredients and mash it. You can use a whisk or a makhni like this or a spoon or a potato masher. Add some water because we have to cook it for about 5 more minutes. I'm taking some more salt because we are adding a lot of water here. And then you can take a potato masher or a whisk like this and then mash it. This won't cut it for me, guys. For now I have to boil it for about 5 more minutes. After that the step will be easy. Basically we have to crush the dal, guys. So let me keep it aside into a different flame. For now, in 5 minutes we will make the jeera rice. Here I have a big pan. Try to use a big pan for making jeera rice. That way the rice also gets fried. Because this is not a non-stick, I am taking about half a teaspoon of ghee and then we are going to spread the ghee in all of the corners. Otherwise, the rice will stick to the pan. So for the tawa jeera rice, I am taking 1 tablespoon of ghee and we are going to melt it. Once the ghee is melted, you have to take 1 good tablespoon of jeera and then fry it until it starts to pop. If you don't do this step, then jeera rice won't be jeera rice. Just ensure the jeera is well cooked and it should sizzle something like this. Once it is popping, then we can add the rice into it. So here I have the rice going in. Along with that, I am taking about half a teaspoon of salt just to season it. If you don't like salt in your rice, then you can skip it. For these kind of recipes, you have to keep the flame very high, gently stir it until the jeera is well mixed with the rice, and this way the jeera will be crispy and the rice will be soft. Once it is well combined and heated, you can sprinkle a little bit of coriander or mint leaves as per your choice, and then the jeera rice is ready. Hardly this takes about 5 minutes, guys. And in the corner you can see the dal is also boiling, so let's get back to that. So the dal is vigorously boiling and this is perfect, but still the consistency is not there, so I have lowered the flame for now. We are going to use a potato masher and then mash the dal. This is the secret of the restaurants and the dhaba. They continuously mash it so that the dal gets together. Be very careful, guys. I also burnt my hands here because of the flying dal from the pressure cooker. After about 3 or 4 minutes of mashing, you will see dal will be looking something like this, where it has come together. So now let's make the final tadka for the dal. Here I have a small pan. In this I am heating 1 spoon of ghee and about 40 grams of makhan or butter. Dal makhni without makhan is not dal makhni, guys. We will get the taste from butter only. Few more ingredients we are going to add. Here is a pinch of hing or asafoetida, or should I say 1/4 teaspoon of hing. Once it is sizzling, we are going to add half a teaspoon of shahi jeera. Instead of shahi jeera, you can also take regular jeera. Here I am taking 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder for the color, about 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and then we are going to cook it until it is well sizzled. We don't want the raw flavor of ginger garlic, so cook it really well. This is halfway done. You can see the boil over there. Now we are going to add the kasuri methi into it, which is dried fenugreek leaves. About 1 teaspoon should be good. And then stir it again for about 2 more minutes. At the end, the tadka should be looking something like this. Now we are going to add it to the dal. That looks fantastic, guys. We have to add a few more ingredients like some fresh cream, without which the dal makhni won't be complete. So here I am taking about 3 or 4 tablespoons of the fresh cream. I am adding it in with a little bit of water because the dal is very thick, as you can see right now. As we have mashed the dal, it gets thick very easily. So add some water, give it a stir, bring it to a boil, and our homemade dhaba style dal makhni is ready. Or should I say cloud kitchen style dal makhni is ready. I'm not sure about everywhere else, but especially in Hyderabad, these dhabas and the cloud kitchens have made these combos very popular. So just before serving, I'm sprinkling a little bit of fresh coriander leaves, and now it's time to serve it with our homemade jeera rice. So that's a finger licking good combo, guys. I'm serving the jeera rice with a sprinkle of coriander, the dal makhni with a little bit of butter and fresh cream, and on the side we have sirke wale piyaz and lemon. If you like this concept, do comment down below. I would love to make some more combos for you guys. So guys, that was my recipe for the dal makhni jeera rice combo. If you want to see more combo recipes, do comment down below. If you like the concept, give it a like, share it with your friends. If you did not like it, click the dislike button. I hope to see you soon with one more video. Bye, take care, happy cooking.